Okay, this something that we discussed what was with respect to the development of the transport with respect to regional development. How will you make it more regional specific is you will take up examples from Khullar. You will actually talk about the major road development, the major rail development. Diagrams हैं खुल्लर में रेलवे का, रोड का, ऑयल का, एयर का, वो एग्जाम्पल्स आपको यूज करने हैं. ठीक है. If we talk about the railway as a unifying factor in Indian economy, how is railway as a unifying factor in the Indian economy? Do you think, for that matter, do you think railway has a unifying effect on Indian economy? What does railway do? Yes, it is transportation of the agricultural commodities to market. Agriculture commodities to market, one. Raw material to industry, industry to market. They link growth pole and growth foci. They go for balanced regional development. Okay, the balanced regional development in form of your corridor type of development. Okay, it goes for labor movement from one place to another, the migrants movement. Okay, now what examples will you add? What examples should we add? You can talk about Delhi to Mumbai, Mumbai to Pune, Mumbai to Chennai, Chennai to Howrah. Okay, examples. Agriculture zone, if I have to talk about the agriculture zone to agriculture commodities to market, you talk about the green revolution areas and linking to Ambala to Ludhiana to Amritsar. Okay, so you can talk about Ambala to Ludhiana to Amritsar. Okay. You can also talk about linking of the rice, wheat, green revolution areas to Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, right? So the southern state and the green revolution areas from the agriculture commodities to the market. If we talk about linking the raw material to industries, example of raw material to industries, can we talk about the coal industries? Asansol to Kolkata, gangs of Wasipur. Okay. You can talk about the finished good. Okay, the finished good from the industries to the market. You can talk about Kolkata to Mumbai, Mumbai to Bangalore, Chennai. Okay. In growth, we talked about the metropolitan cities. For regional development, you can talk about the example of Northeast. Okay, in the Northeast, you can talk about from Kolkata to Guwahati to Silchar. So for Northeast, you can talk about from Kolkata to Guwahati to Silchar. Try to give as much specific names as you can give to improve your marks, and also try to show the regional diagrams. Okay.